Yeah, I'm about to show y'all why this a badass Whopper Plopper right here. And don't talk about my swivel game. I love me a swivel. Shut up, swivel haters. Starting to rain a little bit. Well, a little bit heavier than I would like. Got him, got him, got him. Got him, that badass Whopper Plopper. That badass Whopper, winging his ass. That badass Whopper Plopper. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Rain and all, it don't matter. Fat something in that canal, man. Yeah, canal master skeet. That's what my boy fish scale called me, canal master skeet. Yes, sir.